Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Base44, a platform that positions itself as the AI app builder, a tool that promises to turn your ideas into real working applications using nothing but plain English. In this video, I'll walk you through what Base44 is, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on whether it truly lives up to the hype. Let's get started. Base44 is an AI-powered no-code app builder designed to help anyone, even with zero technical background, create full-stack applications. And when I say full-stack, I mean everything. The user interface, the backend logic, the database, authentication, integrations, and hosting, all handled inside one platform. The core idea behind Base44 is simple but powerful. Instead of coding or dragging elements endlessly, you describe the app you want in natural language, just like you'd explain it to a developer. The AI then interprets that description and generates a working app structure for you. This is a major shift from traditional no-code tools. Most no-code platforms rely heavily on templates or manual configuration. But Base44, on the other hand, leans heavily into AI-first development, where the AI becomes your primary builder. That said, while the promise is huge, the real question is how well it executes, and that's where the features come in. Now let's talk about the main features of Base44. AI-driven app creation. The heart of Base44 is its AI engine. You describe what you want, and the AI generates the app's structures, logic, and interface. This dramatically shortens development time and removes technical barriers. No-code visual editing. Once the AI builds the foundation, you're not locked in. You can visually customize layouts, workflows, and behaviors without touching code, making it accessible even for beginners. Built-in backend and database. Unlike many tools that focus on only front-end design, Base44 includes backend infrastructure by default. This means databases, user authentication, and handling are all already set up for you. Integrations and automation. Base44 allows apps to connect with external services, trigger automations, send emails, and perform real-world actions. These integrations let your app do more than just look good, they make it really functional. And with connectors, you can integrate with applications like Salesforce, Notion, Slack, Google Sheets, Google Calendar, HubSpot, LinkedIn, and lots more. Code access and GitHub sync. For more advanced users, Base44 offers the ability to access and edit the underlying code. You can also sync projects with GitHub, giving developers flexibility while still benefiting from AI speed. Hosting and deployment. Apps built with Base44 are hosted automatically. There's no complicated deployment process. Once your app is ready, it can be shared and used immediately. Analytics and app management. Base44 also provides tools to monitor how your app is being used, which is important once users start interacting with it. Now let us talk about the pricing of Base44. You can start for free. With the free plan, you get access to all of Base44's core features at no cost, and you can see what it can do. But you have limited credits per month and limited integration credits. There's a starter plan at $16 per month, the builder plan at $40 per month, the pro plan at $80 per month, and the elite plan at $160 per month. Now these prices are billed annually. If you want to pay monthly, you're going to pay slightly higher than this. What are the pros and cons of using Base44? First, the pros. Extremely fast app creation using natural language. No need to manage servers, databases, or authentication, and is great for MVPs, for prototypes, and internal tools. It combines AI speed with no-code simplicity, and it's flexible enough for both beginners and developers. How about the cons? Credit usage can add up quickly for complex applications, and it's not always fully stable for large-scale production apps. There's less manual control compared to traditional development. So having considered all this, is Base44 truly the AI app builder? In my opinion, Base44 represents one of the most ambitious and forward-thinking approaches to app development today. It lowers the barrier to entry in a way we haven't really seen before, allowing ideas to become real applications faster than ever using plain English. For founders validating ideas, for creators that are building tools, or business owners who need custom apps without technical headaches, Base44 is incredibly compelling because it shines in speed, accessibility, and innovation. However, it's not a perfect solution for every use case. If you're building a massive, mission-critical application with complex logic and high traffic, you may still need traditional development or more mature platforms. That said, as an AI-first app builder, Base44 is pushing the industry forward, and for many people, it's more than enough to go from idea to live product. And that's it on the review of Base44. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Bubble, Adalo, and Softer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.